How much room do I need to have in my crawl space for you guys to do a foundation inspection as well as do the foundation repair work? Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of You Ask, We Answer Foundation Repair Questions. Today's question is, how tall or how much room do I need to have in my crawl space for you guys to do a foundation inspection as well as do the foundation repair work?
Yeah, it's something we've got to look at every day. So really what we're looking for is we want a minimum of 18 inches of space. If you imagine a big guy like me trying to get under there and do some work, we've had some areas where we may get 9 inches or 12 inches. There's just not enough room, number one, to do the inspection, or number two, to have my crews out there doing that work. Of course, if we had 24 inches or more, we'd be super happy, but really 18 inches is the bare minimum that we want to come out and inspect and do that work for you.
Yeah, and like Eric said, if we can't even physically get in there to look at the foundation or the crawl space, then how do we expect crews and people to actually do work in there? There are alternative methods to be able to do it. It just involves going through the interior of your house and through your subfloors and stuff like that. It's pretty costly, pretty expensive, pretty quick, and it's a huge inconvenience to you.
Yeah.
So there are other methods to be able to do it and not have to work in the crawl space, but again, we try to avoid that if at all possible. All right, thank you all again for joining us on another episode of You Ask,
We Answer.